Good morning, everyone. Today, September 17, 2022 is Monday. We can see what's like on Friday. The market's getting really red, and like all of them lost like 1 or 2%, and especially Amazon, Tesla, and Microsoft, Apple, Google, and all the company in the U.S. Most of them, like over 95% to 98%, is lost completely. More than 20 to 25%, like pretty lucky, like really stable stock like bank, real estate, and a lot like big giant companies being lost like still more than 10%. And this morning we can see it's much better, and Tesla already gained like more than 1%. It's going to be gaining back like 3 to 5% for today only, and it's going to be, if the market keep going to be green, and I mean there's already add up a lot the good news on top of that, because a lot of banking system already get wonderful earning. That's what they show, and that's what the point went up. Hopefully how far they can go, let's see what's going on for today. So that's all we going to be waiting for. So, but a lot of them already getting up. Like right now is like over 300 points. As honestly, today is a lot of investor is looking for they can gain up like more than 5 to 700 point on. That's what I'm talking about, like on Dow Jones, and especially Brand Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, so 2% of their stock is talking about the technical health, talking about the research. But when the CEO show or going to sell their stock or their crypto, and usually their crypto always going down, because a lot of investors didn't know what's going on, and they just question it. Why, how, and when? That's usually 3 questions a lot of investors are going to be asked the CEO. You can fill them up by yourself, like why did he sell that, and when he recover. Yeah, something like that. You ask yourself a question, and you're going to have an answer. Or otherwise, is like shareholders start switching and run around. And good morning, our traders again. At 7 a.m. Central Time, and we can see there's a lot of new, and especially oil is very stable, indicators getting up. And we can see US dollar didn't move that much, and especially gold, the same thing. So those news you can read by yourself, and all of them we can tell, and more of the information I can add up on that. Actually, the stock is today in the sectors is going to be jump a lot. That's wonderful news. That's all we care about. So in the main sector right now is asking up already 300 points, and hopefully they can gain us like over 300 points in like opening hours. And a lot of sectors like real estate and industrial and healthcare and communication service, and especially consumer directory is start to gain back a lot, and especially financial is going back up so much. By the way, we can see like Chase Bank and MS&C is start to gain for the earning, like they can cost up a earning in banking system. And we can see it here, gold kind of moved a little bit. It's $13, and S&P 500 gained up 40 some points, and it's Nasdaq and it's already gained up like 150 points, and right now it's Dow Jones gained up already 332 points. So anyway, cruise oils just as a little bit like few cents today. Didn't move that much, but anyway, in the future, because the effect is going to be raised, the oil price is going to be up pretty well. So ETFs families as was going down so much on Friday, and it's going to be up a little bit later for today. You guys will have profit on a Friday. Like everything can last, like even though crypto, stock, or ETFs, all of them. So it's an option area, and option people we can see they do a lot of put. Like we got 5-6 put for today. The signal for today, that's mean in the future after the game today and tomorrow is going to be like pretty low later. That's why they expect like November or December, and some of them jump to 2023. That's pretty good expectation for future option. And especially some of them is today we can get like LAZR and GPM. That's going to be the best for the option for today, and we're going to get the list for the gain side on the left and the lose side on the right. And especially TOP is top, is lost like 73%. That's huge. That's a lot. And the gain side is IMRA, ATXI, and HOLO, HOLO. It's gained like 40 some, 30 some to 20 some, almost 30%. It's pretty good gain for very quick, like, and very short hours this morning. And some of them just like average gain a little, like 5%, and lost like something like 20 or 15, 10%. And this is the first stock we're going to focus for today. And the cap is going to be $13.83 billion, and we can tell right now is close to 20. That's close to the lowest area in the years, because the lowest one is 20.12. And like the V2 over $6 million, that's pretty good. So the second stock is BAC. So BAC is like, it's going to be jump over 32 for today. And remember, like on Friday or Thursday, I call everyone to get the BAC, and right now, big profits coming. $254 billion, that's the cap. And right now, we can see it's 29.3 is the lowest one of the years. And, like one day they can move around over $1. Depend, but Bank of America is one of the big, stay on the top 10 as the biggest bank in America, and like a mortgage bank. Like people borrow a lot of money to buy a car or the house or land, and their own way hang around with Bank of America, because like much lower interest, get higher services, and because it was there for a long time. Thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow.